Hi guys, we all know how stressful and honestly downright frustrating road rage or other unexpected events on the road can be. That's why it's super important to have the right tools to prove exactly what happened and who's really at fault. So in today's video, I want to show you a dash cam that will help you feel much safer while driving. The dash cams from FitcamX are designed to integrate right into your rear view mirror housing, making them almost invisible. They draw power straight from the rain sensor, so you can forget about those ugly dangling wires you usually get with other cameras. Installation is so simple even a kid could do it. And best of all, they can record in stunning 4K even in low light conditions. To get yourself a FitcamX dashcam, all you have to do is head over to their website. They've got dedicated cameras for tons of car brands and models. Just browse for your car model, pick the mirror housing design that matches yours, or reach out to their support team if you're not sure, add it to your cart, and at checkout don't forget to enter the discount code FitcamX to get 8% off. This is the box with the camera for a BMW X4. Inside there are two smaller boxes, one with the camera itself and the other with the accessories. The camera was very well protected for shipping. As you can see on the left side, it has multiple LEDs that show its operating status, along with a power button and a capture button. On the front there's the lens covered by the protective sticker, and on the right side there's a microSD slot with a push to eject system where FitcamX has already included a 64GB card. To power the camera you just need to use these two connectors. Of course there's also an installation manual, but FitcamX actually provides a detailed video tutorial for each specific product, so it's almost impossible to mess anything up. I've installed cameras like this for several friends, and thanks to their tutorials everything went perfectly. In the accessories box you'll find a plastic trim tool and a card reader for both SD and microSD cards in case you want to download your footage directly from the card. I really appreciate that FitcamX thought about this extra need and included it right in the package. Alright, let's go through the steps to install this camera on the BMW X4. First, I use the pry tool to split the mirror housing into two parts. Next, I moved the big connector out of the way so I could get access to the rain sensor socket. Then I unplugged the connector that powers the sensor. After that, I plugged it into the socket on the Y cable to power the camera. All that was left to do was to take the remaining plug and connect it back into the rain sensor socket. I put the left half of the housing in place, clipped it together with the right side, and that was it. The whole process took about 15 minutes. I downloaded and installed the app from Google Play since I'm using an Android phone. Then I granted the various permissions the app needs. I scanned for Wi-Fi networks and connected to the camera's Wi-Fi, which comes with a default password 123456778. Of course, you can change that later in the app. You'll also need to enable location services. Now you're connected to the camera. From the main menu you can pause the recording or take photos both while recording and when the camera is paused. There are plenty of camera settings you can adjust. For example, you can turn audio recording on or off, change the resolution between 1080p, 2K and 4K, change the Wi-Fi password and more. You can access your recordings in the camera file menu. Here you can watch your videos, download them directly to your phone, share them, or even edit them right in the app. You can even add background music and post straight to social media. Alright guys, time to check out some sample footage at different times of the day. Let's see how the camera records during the day at different speeds, and I'll add some freeze frames with the cars I encountered on the road. As you could see, the camera performs very well at low and medium speeds. At high speeds the usual motion blur appears, but even so, license plates can still be easily identified. At night, like with any camera, whether it's a DSLR, a smartphone or obviously a dashcam, the video quality is lower and everything depends on how well lit the area is. Personally, I'm very satisfied with this camera, so much so that I even installed one on my wife's car. If you'd like to see that video too, you can find it in the description. The camera is very easy to install, it has a very useful app and the image quality meets my expectations. If you want to buy it, there's a link in the description and don't forget about the 8% discount code. Good luck and safe travels!